log in. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What's that noise?
Your Honor, the custodial parent is at the airport, so she's trying to get
Oh, okay, that was an announcement.
situated.
Okay. This cause number 2020-32348 in the interest of Amarie Kai Robinson. All parties in this case, please raise your right hands to be sworn. Right hand, ma'am. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Ellen Jones. I'm the mother of Maury Robinson.
All right, and for the state?
Marcella Turner.
Texas.
Court will note that Billy Robinson Jr. Can you mute? There you go. Billy Robinson Jr. is the non-custodial father in this matter. Mr. Robinson appeared in court and signed an order for parentage testing. And was given further notice of this Zoom hearing by certified mail. Return receipt requested, which was delivered on March 12th, 2021. So we'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Your Honor. At this time, the state would like to call Ms. Jones. Ms. Jones, are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Jones, has there ever been any family violence to occur between yourself and Mr. Robinson?
You said what again? I'm sorry.
Has there ever been any family violence to take place between you and Mr. Robinson?
Yes, ma'am.
And could you briefly explain to the court what took place?
I'm currently fighting charges on me, and they split in my forehead. But it's not the first time Mr. Robinson put his hands on me before, and that's when I went into self-defense mode. So right now, Mr. Robinson, I'm not allowed feet around him.
Okay. And are you asking this court to order a non-disclosure as to your address and Mr. Robinson's address?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking this court to appoint you as the managing conservator and Mr. Robinson as the possessory conservator?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking this court to designate you as the conservator who determines the child's residence without regard to geographic location?
Yes, ma'am.
And due to the family violence that has occurred, are you asking this court to order visitation through the Harris County Domestic Relations Office?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And to your knowledge, is Mr. Robinson currently employed?
Yes, ma'am.
And to your knowledge, does Mr. Robinson have any other children other than this child?
Yes, ma'am.
How many?
I just know about three, three in total.
3 in total. Does that include this child?
Yes, ma'am. Mine
Okay,
and
so
two other
two
kids.
other children? Okay. And to your knowledge, do any of those 2 children live with Miss?
Yes, one of them stay with him.
And to your knowledge, for the other child, does Mr. Robinson have a child support order for that child?
I'm not sure. For the one that stay with him, yes. The second one,
Okay.
I'm not sure.
Okay. And is there private medical or dental insurance available for this child?
She currently has Medicaid.
And are you asking this court to order cash medical support in the amount of $57 beginning May 1st of 2021?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking this court to order current child support in the amount of $215 beginning May 1st of 2021?
Yes, ma'am.
And since this child's birth, have you and Mr. Robinson ever lived together?
No, ma'am.
And has Mr. Robinson provided financially for this child since the child's birth?
No, ma'am.
And are you requesting this court to order a retroactive child support judgment in the amount of $8,371 as of today's date in order the payout on that judgment be set at $95 beginning May 1st of 2021?
Yes, ma'am.
And you are not seeking retroactive medical or dental support, is that correct?
That's correct.
No further questions for this witness. I'll pass the witness.
All right, call your next witness.
The state would like to call Ms. Bidu. Ms. Bidu, what is your name and where do you currently work?
Natasha Bidu, the Office of the Attorney General Child Support Division.
And how long have you been employed at that agency and what is the title? I'm sorry, and what do your job duties entail?
12 years, and one of my duties is to investigate and report the wages of respondents in child support cases.
And did you have an opportunity to investigate wage information regarding Mr. Robertson?
Yes,
And what did you find his gross monthly income to be?
$1,435.96.
And for the, based off of that gross monthly income, what did you find the child support guideline amount to be?
I didn't write down the guideline. Hold on 1 second.
Was it $250?
$215, yes.
And did you also conduct an investigation in regards to the wage information during the retroactive child support timeframe?
Yes, I did.
And based off of his wage information, what did you find his gross monthly income to be during that time frame?
His gross monthly income actually varied every 3 quarters.
Okay, could you briefly give that information to the court?
Yes. So the first quarter of 2019, his gross was $5,190. That child support would have been $263 per month. The second quarter, it's $8,463. Child support would have been $422 a month. I'm sorry, I'm telling you the quarterly amount. Let me go back. The first quarter, his gross monthly was $1,703.09, which would have been $263 per month. The second quarter of 2019 would have been $2,821 per month, calculating child support at $422. The third quarter, $3,024.59 a month, calculating child support at $450. The next quarter is $3,416.34, calculating child support at $505. The following quarter was $1,927, calculating child support at $296.
And
The
is
second-
that for 2020? Are you on
Uh-huh.
2020 now? Okay.
I'm now on 2020, yes. The second quarter of 2020, there was no wage information based on a minimum wage presumption. It would have been $199 per month. And then $1436 at $225 per month. $783 would have been $293 per month. And then lastly, $1435.96 for $225 per month.
Okay, and you found that retroactive child support judgment to be $8,000.
Calculating $83.71. Mm-hmm.
Thank you. No further questions for this witness. I'll pass the witness.
Oh, Ms. Robertson, you have any questions for Ms. Bidu?
No, sir.
All right, Anything further, Ms. Turner?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ms. Jones, you can disconnect.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a safe flight.
Thank you.
All right, this is call number 2020-06197 in the interest of Armani Williams. All parties in this matter, please raise your right hand to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, I do.
All right, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Shannon Roberson, I'm the father of this child.
All right, for the state,
Marcella Turner.
court note that the custodial parent, Juanita Williams, is not present. She was served on September 28, 2020 at 11:54 a.m. What are we doing today, Ms. Turner?
Your Honor, just simply requesting that this matter be reset to October 20, 2021, and Mr. Roberson be sworn to return to the in-person court setting, and nothing further at this time. We will handle the remaining issues at that in-person setting.
This would be October 21st.
Yes, that's correct, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Roberson, this matter is being reset to October 21st, 2021. It's going to be an in-person hearing. In other words, you have to appear in court. You're sworn to return on that day. If you do not appear, a warrant will issue for your arrest. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, I do.
All right. Anything further, Ms. Turner?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. May I be excused? Well, may we both be